What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name's Nick, and I'm back with another video. Back with another banger. Y'all know how it goes. Today we got the E90 with us again. I mean, guys, look at it. Just look at it.
Just look at it.
I picked up a stud kit for it. I know we did wheels, I don't know, I think like 2 videos ago. We got coilovers, we got wheels on there. I am running spacers, and realistically I need longer lug nuts. They sent me out a stud kit. This one's a little bit like extended, so it should basically solve my problem with running spacers, as well as it looks good.
It looks really
It also
good,
makes
yeah.
it taking off wheels really easy. For my 135 for extended lug bolts, I literally paid like, I don't remember, like 60 or 70 bucks. I spent 100 bucks on this, guys. Basically all we need to do, guys, I have a Hex socket right here. It's an H5. I don't know if that really means anything, but anyway, one of these. We got a 17 mil. Take off the wheels. We got our stud kit. I'm gonna show you guys the measurements real quick. I got them in black. I think you get them in silver as well. I didn't want to go with, I know people go with some crazy colors like purple or something. I don't really want to go with the crazy colors, just the 328. If it was actually fast, it'd look cool, but anyway. That's basically the measurement you guys are looking for, M12 by 1.5. That's specifically for E chassis, guys. Make sure you guys get that. That's specifically for E chassis. F chassis, bolts go wider. You guys want to make sure if you're doing this for an E chassis, you get this exact measurement, guys. 75 millimeter, that's basically the length of the stud kit itself, the stud bolt. Basically, you can go with longer ones if you guys are running like 15 mil spacers, 20 mil spacers. I'm running 10 mil spacers on the back, mil spacers on the front. So that should be plenty for me. But if you guys are running bigger spacers, make sure you guys go with longer bolts. But that's pretty much all you guys got to know. Pretty simple to order. It costs like 120 bucks, I think, 125, something like that after tax.
Yeah.
Relatively cheap. Yeah, guys, let's get off into installing these. Guys, so pretty much this is what we're looking at. This is the stud. This one has a point here that you can use to screw it in specifically. There is ballpoint ones. Those are actually the ones I had on my 135. Honestly, wasn't really happy with them. These I think look better. They're also really like a lot easier to install. On my 135, I actually used Loctite just because I couldn't screw them in and tighten them. These, honestly, guys, I'm not even gonna use Loctite. I am probably gonna end up changing these rotors soon to maybe like some drilled and slotted ones. So I do not want to put Loctite on these because I'm probably gonna have to go and buy another set after this. But anyway, guys, I mean, it's just simple as this. We're gonna go ahead and screw it in as much as we can with our hand and get a little tight. You guys check it out. They actually sit in like really, really deep. Guys, that's pretty much all you do. I mean, it's a pretty simple install. Let's go ahead and actually throw on this wheel and see how it looks.
Ooh, it's a lot better. What the heck?
Bro,
Thing is crazy.
sick. Guys, that's pretty much all you gotta do. I like how they look, honestly, a lot. I'm gonna just go ahead and install all the other sides. There's no point in showing you guys everything. I mean, if you guys are worried about safety on these, I mean, like, I don't know, I probably wouldn't even suggest putting thread locker on there. I mean, guys, they hold on. Yeah, it's up to you guys, but they do hold pretty well. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we pretty much got the stud kit on. Honestly, everything looks great. I'm pretty happy with these, guys. I mean, there's not really much else to say or explain on a stud kit. Stud kit is generally used for like track. But yeah, guys, honestly, in my opinion, this is probably one of the easiest ways you guys can make your E90 look more sportier, better, and more like track oriented in a sense with 100 bucks. Guys, that'll pretty much conclude this video. I mean, thanks for sticking around. I definitely need to get you guys a video about my review on the coilovers. I know a lot of you guys asking me about the coilovers as well. But yeah, guys, thanks for sticking around. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I'll have my Instagram right here. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.